Hi.
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 Hi. Hola. Bonjour.
Hello and welcome to TCNJ.
Welcome to TCNJ.
Welcome to TCNJ.
I joined TCNJ because it reminded me of my hometown.
Because the first time I came and visited the campus, I felt right at home right away.
Because the community around me was very conducive to my learning and career goals.
When I came to TCNJ for Accepted Students Day, I was really impressed by the professors' enthusiasm and passion for their work.
Professors are super accessible and there are so many ways to advance in your field.
I saw the level of achievement of our former graduates, and I just knew that this was the place for me.
I knew I made the right decision when I started getting involved in the clubs and activities here on campus.
It's a very live campus. There's always an event going on.
Everyone's very active with organizations that they join outside of their academics.
I knew I wanted to join a community where students would push me to become the strongest version of myself.
The family environment offered me a chance to be successful beyond academics, so personally, socially, mentally.
I love being able to focus on school while also being super involved in clubs and community service.
And I always have someone to say hi to wherever I go.
I saw how great and kind the professors were. I saw how friendly the students were.
It helped make the college decision a lot easier.
I knew I just wanted to join its talented and diverse student body.
We hope you join us.
We hope you join us.
We hope you join us.
Nous espérons que vous vous joignez à nous.
We hope you join us.